that era. So they can't be blamed.
But their grandparents were in that era. No. And then we are inheriting. Because you guys are inheriting the sweat of our grandparents. We need to change the mindset. We gave them too much freedom in a way they feel Zuma is doing that. In 19 years, you'll never change something that is damaged for 100 years.
No, it's going to take many years to change because it's not an overnight problem. But I don't agree Zuma is the right man.
Yeah,
that's all I can say.
Why you don't think so? Why you don't think Zuma is the right man? Helen Zulu will never leave South Africa. I can put my foot down. She'll never.